Hello everyone. Today I'm excited to walk you through the functional testing of all CM1 products. Next, we will perform the LCD test. First, connect this yellow wire to the J25 interface on the core board. After connecting it, connect these three wires to the 40-pin header on the baseboard. Let's introduce these three wires. This green wire is the 5 voltage power line, the blue wire is GND, and the purple wire is the LCD's PWM line. Connect them to the corresponding pins on the baseboard's 40-pin header. Since the serial port already occupies pin 6, we will connect the blue wire to pin 9 instead. Refer to the wiring diagram in the provided materials for connection details. After completing the hardware connections, power circle the device. We can observe the display lighting up and showing the default desktop.
Now let's do the USB port test. Prepare a USB stick. Then plug it into our CM1 interface. Plug in the USB stick. We copy this command to the endpoint. You can see that the serial port prints out the SDA information. It means that the U-disk is successfully recognized. Now we copy this command. Create a test folder on user data. Next, we will put the USB stick mounted into the test directory we just created. Also copy this command to the endpoints to execute. Now we use the cd command. Enter this test folder. Then copy the following command, check USB flash drive usage and mount point. Here pops up the information of the mounted USB stick. This shows that our USB test was successful. Next, we conduct network testing. Plug the network cable in any mesh of the development board. After connecting, we tap if config. Check if the network connection is successful. Here we can check its Internet protocol address. It means that the connection is successful. Next, let's pin the address 192.168.1.1. Here we need to change 1 to 0 because the port we inserted is port 0. Some data information popped up. It means that the pin was successful. Then we pin the Baidu website again. It can be found here that the pin can be successful. It means that our network test was also successful. We do audio testing. We will combine the microphone module and the speaker module, insert into the button plates respectively. After connection is completed, we enter the following command. Record a 10-second audio clip. We turn on the music, start recording. Recording completed. We enter the following command. Play the 10 seconds of audio you just recorded. We can hear the audio just coming out of the speakers. Now we run USB Wi-Fi test. So first we type in this command. Find the Wi-Fi profiles. Here we can see that there are 3 configuration files. Let's take the third configuration file as an example. Via VI editor, modify the Wi-Fi configuration file. Change the SSID to the name of Wi-Fi you want to connect. And change PSK to the password of this Wi-Fi. Save and exit after modification. Then we copy the following command. Because we are going to use the third configuration file. So now we are going to put this configuration file, put this behind our order. When we connect to the network with this command, we can see that there is this error. Because all the WPA supply cans processes and the residual failures. So we need to type this command to terminate the old process. Then re-enter the command to connect to Wi-Fi. And then we type in this command to terminate the process, and this command to reconnect to Wi-Fi. After that, it shows success. Then we enter the ifconfig verification results. We can see that W0 has obtained the Internet Protocol address. Then we type this command to test. Connect to Baidu website. You can see that the ping is successful. It means that the network is connected. In other words, our Wi-Fi test was successful. Now let's do a Bluetooth test. Before the test, we need to prepare a device. And the supports Bluetooth is pending connection. After the preparation is completed, we copy this command to the endpoint. Check the system completes configuration information for all Bluetooth controls. We can see the following information. Next, we need to open and configure the states of Bluetooth in the development board. Now let's type in the first command. Turn on Bluetooth mode. Then enter the second command. Power on the Bluetooth adapter. So we type in the connect command. Start Bluetooth pairing agent. Then we need to enter the next command. Set the current proxy as the default proxy. Then execute the next command. Start scanning surrounding Bluetooth devices. Finally, we enter scan off to stop scanning. These are Bluetooth devices we scanned. We can check the Bluetooth device we turned on has been found. Now let's do the SD card test. Type this command first. Write 100 MB of data to the SD card. Here you can see that the serial port outputs data. Display the write time of data. Then we enter this command to verify the result. The result shows that 100 MB of data has been written. Okay, all testing is complete and a summary follows. The SD card test. validated read and write functionality by rating and verifying 100 MB data via command line operations. And the USB Wi-Fi test configured Wi-Fi connection by editing config files, terminated latency processes, obtained IP successfully, and confirmed network connectivity via ping to Baidu. Then the USB test detected and mounted USB flash driver, verified storage capacity and mount point, and the Bluetooth test. Ambered Bluetooth adapter scanned the peripheral devices and validated module functionality. LCD test connected power, PWM, and ground pair schematic, confirmed successful display initialization upon power up. The network test achieved automatic IP assignments via Internet, verified LAN, and WAN connectivity through pin test. Then the audio test recorded and played back 10-second audio clips, confirming microphone and speaker functionality. All tests were completed through command line operations, and the hardware functions met the standards. The system runs stably and reliably.